Samsung Galaxy A26 is a solid mid-range phone with a smooth display, reliable battery life, and long-term software support. It is powered by octa-core processor paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, which you can extend with a memory card. You are getting a 5000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging, which should comfortably last a full day for most users. The phone runs on Android 15, and one standout feature here is the long software support, up to 6 years of updates, which is impressive for a phone in this range. It comes with a 50MP main camera and 13MP selfie camera. This is a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, so scrolling feels smooth and the colors are vibrant. Taking a look at the phone, it has a clean and simple design with a glass front and back protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, and it's also water and dust resistant with IP67 rating. Out of the box, you get the phone, USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and your usual documentation. No charger included, which is becoming standard these days. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Bye!